Hello again. Just got through making Klatch coffee and got it all poured up here. And I tell you what, when I was blending it, one of the things I was impressed about is that in the coffee grinder, I didn't have to take my little brush and brush it out. Smells good when you make it, good roast. And anyway, I'm kind of ironic that this is Blue Thunder, and we went to a Blue Elders Motorcycle Club meeting last night. That's the retired Dallas police officers meeting. I was wanted to go thank all the guys there for their service. And anyway, we had a good dinner. And so anyway, this is Blue Thunder coffee, and it, pretty good. So here we go. Mama says it's an espresso coffee. Mama's just to my left here off screen. Mama, what did you say about the coffee?
I like it.
She likes it. Okay. So anyway, try it. It's different, and it's a very good coffee. I don't know about y'all having as much fun as we are, but we're having a blast here. Good day.